Yes, like this. Like that. That actually kind of
Never knew that the blue in the sky was so blue. Could it be that I'm finally all over you? 'Cause I woke up free of stormy weather, feeling so fine, dancing in sunshine. Gonna move to the beat of my shuffling feet, slow glide down the sunnier side of the street. Lately life is lighter than a feather, the world is mine and I'm dancing in sunshine. There's promise in the air that's never been there before.
August afternoon, I can picture you walking with me.
Do you, partner, take him as your lawfully wedded wife, in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, to be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Something older than humanity, more ancient than the desert. What the boy felt at that moment was that he was in the presence of the only woman in his life, and that, with no need for words, she recognized the same thing. Because when you know the language, it's easy to understand that someone in the world waits for you.
Dancing in sunshine, gonna move to the beat of my shuffling feet, slow glide down the sunnier side of the street. Lately life is lighter than a feather, the world is mine and I'm dancing in sunshine. There's promise in the air that's never been there before, and I get this feeling more and more that love is waiting for me. I can see how my story will be from now on. This is the part where the heartache is finally gone. Gonna turn today into forever. I'm spending my time dancing in sunshine, feeling so fine, dancing in sunshine. The world is mine.